All right, so this is the video directions to help anybody that's having to work on this at home for the green group. So we're reviewing force and velocity. So first thing we have is a prediction. An object is moving diagonally down and to the left. You want it to stop moving. In what direction or directions should you exert a force to get the object to stop moving? So in this box, give me the direction or directions, up, down, left, right. Is it a combination of the two? How would I hit it? And then here you're going to explain. And those are 2 points each, so make sure you do a good job. All right, so then here are the links to the specific parts of the mission, but in case you just opened it from the sim or you have the paper copy. So here is our basic sim, right? And I did put this link in Google Classroom. And then the 3 little lines, you're going to go down to 2.5 green mission 1. And so this is what it looks like. And notice I have one object, I have a target, and it says make the object reach the target using multiple horizontal and vertical forces, then achieve the same goal by exerting a single diagonal force. And that direction is also right here. Those are your tasks. So we're going to press run, and we're going to attempt task 1, where we're just going to hit a bunch of force arrows. We're going to observe if we get it in. For task 2, using a single force, we're going to prepare a force. So let me just show you what that looks like. So here I'm going to press run. And so I want to get it over here. So I'm going to try to hit it. First thing I'm going to do is task 1, where I'm just kind of hitting it. I missed it. I didn't quite get it. So that's what you're doing. I'm just trying to hit it with some force. I do the little replay button so that I can start hitting again. I don't want to prepare force. So I just hit it a few times. Still didn't get it. I got it going too fast. Prepare force. Let me try that one more time. There we go. Now I got it. Okay. So now I'm going to try that again. That was task 1. That was that I attempted with multiple different forces. Now I'm going to try it where I'm going to prepare a force. So I'm going to press prepare force. And I'm going to make it go diagonal. So I could do like a couple to that way. And you can see, what I can see is I can see how many clicks this way and how many clicks up. And I'm going to try to make it reach that goal. Let's see if that's good. No. Nope, no, it's real close. So I got it in, okay? So then it says, so observe the object. Did it reach the target? Mine did. If yes, go on to the next mission. And we're going to complete missions 1 through 4. After we complete missions 1 through 4, you're going to answer this question, and you're going to be able to give me a little bit more detail now that you've learned from the predict here. So you're going to do 1 through 4 that are just going to be like that. So mission 2, the object is up here, and you're trying to get it here. Mission 3, the object's here, you're going to get it into this corner. Mission 4, the object's here, you're going to get it into this corner. So it's practicing getting the object into all the different corners and making it go at an angle. And then you're going to explain here. Part 2 is now we're going to move on to mission 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let me go pull up mission 5. All right, so our mission is to make the object reach the target without touching the wall. So these are the walls. So notice if I prepare a force and I tried to do a diagonal up, kind of like what we did earlier in task 2, notice it hits the wall. So that automatically doesn't work. So you're not going to want to prepare a force. Instead, you're going to want to use these little guys. And you're going to try to get it to not touch the walls. Look at that. I practiced yesterday. So that is the mission. And so mission 5, mission 6, they're all just different shapes, just like this, 7 and 8. And again, all you're gonna do is press run. You're gonna do your force arrows to get it in here without touching the walls. Okay, once you do that, we're gonna explain. So 2 objects are moving downward at a speed of 3 centimeters per second. Object A has a mass of 2 kilograms and B has a mass of 1 kilograms. You want both objects to move to the left at a speed of 3 centimeters per second. Okay? Hint, if I get stuck, go test it in the sim. So let me just show you. If I want to go test it, because I'm talking about 2 different objects, right? I want object. Let me show you where to go test that. If you go back to Open Explore, down here, I have my different mass objects. So let's see. I want an object with 2 kilograms and one with 1 kilograms. I believe the A is 1. And so I'm going to grab a different one. Okay. They're both moving downward at 3 centimeters. So I'm going to move downward at 3. Okay. You want both objects to move to the left at a speed of 3 centimeters. So instead of moving down, you want them to move to the left, that's over here, at 3 centimeters. How would I hit them? So what direction would my force be? And describe the strength. Would I hit them with the same strength or different strength? Explain. Okay, remember they're different masses. So, and when you go to run here, it's going to show you the mass again. So my object A is 1, my object B is 2. Okay, see what you get. Okay, this last big box, you are looking at this picture and you're describing the direction the forces you would have to exert to get it in the sim to make the orange object reach the target. Orange object? Well, you know what I meant. This object, right? So first, which way would I hit it? I'm probably going to have to hit it to the right, right? Then once I get to this point, what's going to happen? And I expect all the steps. Which way are you going to have to hit it to make it get all the way over to here? And you're going to describe all of that right here.